For Vlogmas day 1, I'm going to show you all how I get my hair together and for the week. So as you can see, my hair is on the dry side. This is a twist out. It's, probably like, I don't know, 4 days old, might be longer than that. And I'm going to go ahead and get it prepped for the week, clean it, because I have quite a few videos I'm going to be filming this week and I want to make sure my hair looks decent. So I'm going to get it together today. I'm also going to probably wash Madison's hair today and do something to her hair. If not today, tomorrow, so that she's good for the rest of the week too. All I'm doing is just putting some conditioner on my hair. This is the Damage Protect by Tresemme. It was inexpensive and they give you a lot of it. So I actually mixed this in with my hair color when I colored my hair red. And since then, I use it as like a prep on my hair to add some more moisture to it, to help to detangle my hair prior to washing it, so it's not so messed up and matted and stuff. So yeah, I'm just using that and concentrating it really on this middle part. This part back here gets so dry, so just pulling it through and making sure I kind of get all those kinks out of my hair. And I want to do a length check with you all. I really want to get this what do you call it, this straightener. It's called Babyliss straightener flat iron. I really want to get it along with a blow dryer and do like a silk press on my hair. I've never done it before, but I want to try it out. So I'm gonna have that video coming for you all during Vlogmas. So yeah, that's what I do. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just making sure I kind of get all the twists out of my hair. I want it to be as loose as possible, detangled before I wash it, because washing my hair kind of mats it up and it can lead to more breakage. So I just want to get all the areas that are still kind of like really coiled, just loosen it up more. So you all, what have y'all been up to? I haven't seen y'all forever. Really? What you doing? Can I get that back? Give it back. What she be doing? Look at this child. She will not sit. You want to watch Baby Mozart? Where are you going? Alright, y'all, let me do something to my hair. I ain't got time to be playing with you and your shenanigans. Alright, so I just have a color safe shampoo in here, and I mixed in some water, and some tea tree oil. I'm gonna put this on my scalp and go from there. All right, nothing that I had on my eyes was waterproof. So I'm gonna put some olive oil all over my skin, even though my skin is dripping wet. Isn't that right? Say it's dripping wet, mama. This is a box of stuff right here that we're taking to the Goodwill. And yeah, I got some recycling I got to do today. I decided that Sundays are going to be my recycling day. I wasn't like really doing a whole lot of recycling, to be honest, and I used to. But I was like, you know what? I'm at home with the girls. It's easier for me to do the recycling now. So let me just go ahead and get on it. So I decided to make Sunday my recycling day. Because there's like these big bins in the city that you can go to and recycle. We don't have them out here where we live. At least I haven't been able to find them. So yeah, my bad. Yeah, I had to clean my face on the camera. And so my hair is washed, as you can see. And I'm going to put my deep conditioner on it. Here's the deep conditioner that I use. And I can do like an actual wash day routine for you all, but it's not a whole lot. I'm not a product junkie like I used to be back in the day before my hair was locked. I just like to use products, see how it works, and then move on to the next one. But if y'all know any good ones for moisture or color treated hair, let me know. But this has been working so far. And I'm actually going to get this on my scalp. So y'all know it take a minute to get to my scalp. Like, I'm still not in the scalp. So there we go. Get to my scalp and really work on putting it on my scalp. So that it can moisturize my scalp. So I'm like putting it on my fingertips and getting it in there, and I'm gonna put it in the middle too. Really get it on my scalp. It has peppermint in it, so it's supposed to be like a tingling, you know, deal. But when you have thick hair like this, it's like you have to actually make an effort to get it on your scalp. It's not gonna just seep on there. And I do have like breakage or shedding, but my hair's been up for like almost a week and a half. I haven't combed it, so that's where all the shedding comes from. And as you can see, I have all of the edges. They are a little thinner. Of course, I have an 8-month-old, so I do have a little bit of thinning from that. Okay, hold on. These kids are silly. All right, so that's that. I'm massaging it in my scalp. I can feel a little bit of the tingle. I have to really get it around the perimeter because around that area is where I get dryness for whatever reason. So I'm really working on massaging it into my scalp so my hair isn't super dry. And I'm gonna let that sit while I clean up, get some stuff off my counter situation. My sink is clean. It's just, yeah, I'm gonna straighten up a little bit, y'all. Alright, so I like to keep my spice containers when they're empty, so I can put like loose herbs and stuff in it. So I'm gonna clean these out, let these air dry, and put these loose herbs in there so they can store better. I also have some fennel seed that I want to put in there, so I'm gonna do that to make this look more organized. Alright, so Mariah just went to sleep. Madison is asleep. Chris is asleep. I still have conditioner in my hair. I'm actually going to use this time to meditate. I have not meditated in like 4 days. I've done a little bit of it like when I go to bed, but like not like really sitting down and focusing on meditation. So I'm actually going to go in my meditation space and do that while everybody's down, and then I'll get back to my hustle and bustle. I'm going to drink a bunch of water before I go in here though, because I want to be able to just sit down and relax. Alright, y'all. Alright, so for dinner this is what I made yesterday, some beans and rice, which you all have seen that in another vlog. And then this is for me, I got some sweet potatoes, beans and rice, and then salsa and some vegan sour cream from Aldi, y'all. Let me show you. It's legit. It's really good, and it was like $3. So yeah, Madison just woke up. She's gonna hate this. Look at this child. Just got off the pot. Can you done on the pot? Yeah. She just woke up. All right, so, and then here's Mariah. Yep, that's Mariah. So yeah, I am actually just got started on my hair. As you can see, just putting in some twists, because like I said, I got a lot of videos to film this week. And that's it. That's the end of today, I think. I don't know, I might come back on. All right, y'all.